So, did I really need to buy a new truck, or did I just want to? But how can you deny that Tremor in the background? Let's talk about it. Got a good one for you. All right, folks, so here it is. This is the predecessor to the Tremor. 1990 Dodge Ram 50 with the Freedom Harley Davidson Eagle up front. Yes, gotta love that. It's got the special cutout here to open the hood. So this truck, most of you are saying, well, that's a Dodge Dakota. No, it's not. This will be the Ram 50. Yes. Hit me up in the comments right now if you've ever seen one of these, or especially if you've ever had one of these. This is the SE model. Special edition. What's so special about this? Well, everything's special about it. For one, look at this blue paint. 1990, never been repainted. Look at it. Look at it, folks. Look at it. It's beautiful. Special edition. They even spray painted the front grille on it and the bumpers. 1990, you gotta love it. MC Hammer and everything. They just can't touch this. So we like to dub this as the little hobo edition because it's got the little camper shell in the back. So if you break down, or if you happen to not have a place of residence, you can just cuddle up back there. Now you got a place to live. But look at this thing. I mean, all the glass is intact. Everything is as original as you can see it. Clean, 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 clean. Nice thing about a hobo edition is the camper shell. So first you got to look at all the stickers back here. Of course, you got Touring and Trails. Always a party at Roughneck Harley. Indian Larry. Adam Sandoval, what's up? Extreme Terrain, because you know this thing's been over some extreme terrain. AAA, yeah, good luck there. No Coast Choppers, if you're aware of that or been there, give me a holler. America, that's the modern day rebel flag, since everybody hates America. I love America. Look real close. It's all faded, but it used to say 9/11/01, we will never forget. That's why I left it on there. 2004, supported a Special Olympics. Get out and help people. Bob and Tom, WKQQ. I know that's out of Kentucky. Good Lord, look at them guys. Stone to the bone, right? A Dodge Ram 50. So this is the special thing, is in the D. Look at this. Imported for Dodge. So what is this truck? It's actually a Mitsubishi Mighty Max in disguise, or in drag. Little hobo comes with a blanket. It also comes with the King cooker. Comes with tools because you know it's going to break down. Nice floor jack. Lots of oil because it's going to burn lots of it. Come on down to Honest Jim's Car Sales. We'll sell you this here for, I don't know, we're going to start at $59.95. Can I get $59.95? $69.95, $79.95. Don't stop there, folks, because this is in high demand. All kidding aside, look at this interior. Look at it. It's even got old Piggly Wiggly over there. Comes with another blanket and a shirt and almost a hat. Supposed to be the anti-cancer edition for mowing the lawns, but it's seen better days. Seat covers. What's under the seat covers? Nice seats, especially since it was a smoker that had this. Odometer says 164,290, 164,000. And I'll tell you, this truck has a lot of special meaning. It belonged to my Aunt Donnie. She bought it brand new. She's not with us anymore, and that's why I have it, because it was left with me. I've always remembered this truck, and I always admired it. She passed away in 2017, so I've actually gotten 5 solid years, and I know I've put at least 20,000 miles on this truck. And it's towed, it's hauled down the highway, it's got me where I needed to go, it's never left me stranded, and it actually died in the driveway, believe it or not, taking my sainted grandfather to go get a haircut. Got us there, got us back, and he loved this truck because Aunt Donnie was his daughter. So pretty cool history with this truck. I'm really bummed out that the motor conked out on me, and that's why I bought the Tremor, because once you get a truck, it's hard to live without one. So what's in the power plant? It is a 2.4 Mitsubishi 4-cylinder. This truck made it 32 years. Motor has not been cracked open, probably one set of spark plugs. I got a new radiator at Rock Auto. They didn't quite fit. That's why I had to use some zip ties here. But fuel injected. I said 2.4. It's got automatic transmission that slips half the time it doesn't. But it's very strange with what's going on with this truck. So it will spin over, and I'm going to show you that here in just a second. It will spin over, but the rotor is not turning in the distributor. Well, it's just, let's just take a look. Yeah, you see it, folks. The starter spins it, but nothing's happening, so I don't know what happened. I thought when they lock up that starter wouldn't do anything, so what should I do with it? It's part of the family. I can't get rid of it. So do I fix it back to stock? No. Do I put a Mitsubishi turbo motor in it? Be cool, but it's hard to find and lots of money. So the guy wearing camo with a Jeep Wrangler and a Tremor and a Harley and chickens, and we put V8s in them. So hit me up in the comments. Have you put a V8 in this thing? Have you tubbed one out? Have you done a narrowed rear end, new front end, wasted a lot of money on a truck that's worth 800 bucks? Yeah, horrible investment. Lots of fun. So tell me what you think. Should I do it, or should I just let it be a yard ornament? I don't know. It really bums me out that this thing no longer runs, but hey, that's life. You got to move on. So give me a thumbs up. Keep subscribing. You never know what you're going to see with me. So I'm going to hit you up with everything. Everything we do, you're going to see. If we go on trails, you watch it. If we resurrect old junk, you're going to watch it too. So appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you down the road.